Okay. Next topic, congenital anomalies. See here, congenital anomalies also called as congenital abnormalities. But congenital abnormalities means only structure abnormalities. Congenital anomalies means biostructural and functionally total abnormal. That is a congenital anomaly. Now we will discuss congenital anomalies first one. Like this is one of the congenital anomalies condition. That condition name anencephaly. See, anencephaly means like a enlargement of the skull. Anencephaly means enlargement of the skull. Why like that enlargement means whenever whoever get the consanguinity marriages, like a relative marriages, and that relative marriage also, some peoples only will get the like this babies, like a first generation or second generation, like a first generation means nothing to happen, like a second generation, third generation only they will get to this. Sometimes some peoples only will get the like these problems. See here, first one, anencephaly is a congenital anomaly. This one of the congenital anomaly condition and characterized by how the anencephaly means the total or partially absence of the cranial vault. Cranial vault means the cranial closure. Inside of the brain, cranial nerves is there, na? That nerves not properly closing. When you see this picture, you not closing up the properly because of why means anencephaly total skull also enlargementing. Why like that enlargement means because of cranial nerves not closing properly. Means like a totally and partially not closing proper cranial vault. And the covering skin and the brain missing. See, not covering of the skin also because of like that how means the skin also not growth properly in the skull area. That's the opening only part. And the brain missing or reduce the small masses. Brain missing means in brain entering in the inside of the brain entering and some tumors getting like a small masses, like a small tumors also presenting, and missing means like not a missing that one. Mixing means just involving into the brain. This like that because of only cranial nerves opening not properly closing. That's why that people will get the like this also, and like a hereditary problem also, and like genes related. Next to include in anencephaly include so many conditions like a craniorachischiasis. Craniorachischiasis means this is a spinal cord and brain problem, means including of the brain and spinal cord. That is a craniorachischiasis. Next, include infants with anencephaly. Anencephaly means totally in children time, totally affecting of the enlargement of the skulls in children time. That is the main infecting of the infants, anencephaly, and other neural tube defects. Neural tube means nervous, abnormal nerve defects to the infants and adults. That's why they'll get to the craniorachischiasis and anencephaly. Main this as encephalocysts. Encephalocyst means in backside of the skull growing of the one tumor like one balloon shape, like a enlarging in the backside of the skull, backside of the head. That is a encephaly. Open spina bifida means total spinal cord opening. Already I am showing a picture. After I will show the total backside of the spinal cord. Spinal bifida means total opening of the middle of the spinal cord. That is called as spina bifida. When associated with anencephaly, anencephaly means like a enlargement of the abnormal skull, like a enlargement of the skull. In that time only, sometimes will affecting of the spina bifida, encephalocyst, and craniorachischiasis in encephaly. Like this, so many problems will get to the related to the hereditary problems and related genes. That's why sometimes people will get the like this in congenital anomalies by birth. Here, anencephaly, see picture, partial absence of the cranial vault. Partial absence means totally opening, totally not closing of the cranial wall. See, not like that, not closing. Not closing means what happened? Brain will get the infection and brain tumors, brain problem, total water accumulation of in the brain, and infection also will start and microorganisms entering in the particular place because of not closing properly cranial nerves. That is called as anencephaly. Main brain reduced to small masses. The brain are reducing of the small masses, but total skull is like enlarging. That is a anencephaly. Next, wait. Next, spina bifida. Spina bifida is a family of congenital anomalies. This is one of the family problem or congenital anomalies defect in the closure of the spinal column. Whenever closing of the proper spinal column, the only spina bifida will be to the 1 minute. Okay, see, main this why not closing means by birth animals like that only have to the people children in a birth time. Then what happens? Spinal column also not closing properly, not growing, no structure, no functioning anything in the by birth time. That's why spine bifid only opening of the back side. And what is meaning of hernia? Don't know. Anybody is there or not there in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we're sleeping, ma'am. You don't know means you can tell me don't know, ma'am. Simply sitting means how can I know you're understanding or not? Okay. Herniation means abnormal protrusion. Abnormal protrusion means abnormal dislocation. Example, you put now stomach where middle only, but stomach presenting presenting the part is the side of the stomach. In case umbilical cord also middle only, but umbilical cord protruding. Protruding means abnormal location protruding. Like this, hernia means abnormal protrusion, means abnormal location of the part. Like the spinal column in spinal bifida means in middle of the spinal cord affecting of the herniation, like abnormally location of the spinal columns. That's why that time they're affecting of the children's spina bifida. Herniation are exposed of the spinal cord and meninges through an incompletely closed spine. Why getting like this herniation? Why the pupils exposing of the spine? Because of incompletely closed spine. The spine columns and spinal cord like a not properly function. That's why not closing of the proper spinal column. Alright, anencephaly means their cranial nerves means brain cranial nerves not closing. That's why they're getting of the anencephaly. Here also spina bifida, the spinal columns not closing properly. That's why they'll get to the spina bifida. Means including like a meningocele. These are all related in the spinal cord layers only. Meningoceles, meningomyocele, myocele, myelomeningocele, rachisiasis, spinal bifida. These are all have to the in spinal cord problems only. Whoever meninges layers, parameter, duramater, arachnoid matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These under layers also including the meninges. The meninges one of the part in the spinal cord. Once spinal cord like that affect into the children's, automatic meninges also will get into the like this differently abnormalities. That's the main including of the meninges problems in the spina bifida children's. And spina bifida is not a counted when present with anencephaly. Spina bifida is not a counted because of when present the anencephaly. Once children have to the anencephaly, that time some people not have to the spina bifida. That's why spina bifida time not count to the present with the anencephaly. And main excluding what here? Spina bifida occulta, sacrocoaxial teratoma, and without this trapezium. Without this trapezium means here spina bifida occult means in spinal cord backside is there. that part like a protrusion, like a abnormally growing of the columns, that time not closing of the properly. That's why one condition will get spina bifida occulta. Wait, I will show you picture. Next, sacrococcygeal teratoma. Sacrococcygeal means one thought is then a spinal cord down, sacrum coccyx. The teratoma means there also total accumulation and affecting of the sacrum and coccyx bone. There also total full enlarging like a that places also sometimes affect including the sitting time. Means whenever bending, that time spinal cord, coccyx and sacrum also not working to the properly in the particular peoples. 1 minute. Next, without dysrhabism. Without dysrhabism means incomplete fusion. Incomplete fusion means not a properly incompletely closing of the sacrum places and coccyx places and spinal cord places. Because of the spinal cord total have to the cranial nerves spinal nerves the spinal was attaching to in the sacrum and coccyx also. Once the spinal column not closing, dysrhabism means incomplete infusion, means not closing properly, incompletely. That time, once time that people also will get the sometimes sacrococcygeal teratoma condition. This is the main congenital anomalies of the spina bifida. You can see picture now. You see here, expose of the neural tissue means once that cranial nerve, spinal nerves exposing more in tissue area, exposing of the more increasing of nerves tissues. That's where that peoples will get to the like opening of the spinal cord, means backside of the spinal column, total opening. That is very difficulty. You can't sleep properly. You can't movement of the body also. Like that will get to the very severe pain. Here, defects in the closure of the spinal column. See, spinal column not closing properly. That's why you can't do the operation also. Once you're doing operation upside skin, closing means suturing you're doing. That time what happened? First main inside want to complete of the closing of the spinal column. But that is a like a that is a bones now. You can't do the properly. That's it. Like this, whoever congenital anomalies like that only have to be some people spina bifida. And expose of the spinal cord, automatic whoever have like this means that time just you can go on back see means immediately you can easily observe to the spinal cord also because of congenital anomalies. Next, encephalocele. Encephalocele means this also one like the herniation of the brain, like abnormal location of the brain only. See how means down you see picture. Here skull is the skull backs are total brain presenting. That is like a dislocation. Herniation means abnormal protrusion of the brain one side like this. See, encephalocele is a congenital anomaly characterized by herniation of the brain and meninges through a defect in the skull. Like a encephalon means what is like here character means herniation of the brain. Brain also protrusion means some dislocation of the place and meninges also dislocation and through defect in the skull also. See, meninges means that spinal cord attaching of meninges in the neck area, na? That meninges and skull and brain, three part is the throw like a dislocation. That's why you see backside of the head how like a balloon shape like that getting. Like that how like that called as of the encephalocele. Main this encephaly is not a counted when the present with spina bifida. In case that time have to the spina fiber means that time you count to the you don't count because of that is a different condition. This also different condition. That's why don't not count to the particular related to the condition. That is a encephalocele. Next, omphalocele. Omphalocele means like a herniation of the umbilical cord, means abnormal location of the umbilical cord. Here, omphalocele is a congenital anomaly characterized by herniation of abdominal contents through the umbilical insertion and covered by membrane which may or may not be intact. Once umbilical cord like that dislocation is because of that not covering up the membranes to the spinal means umbilical cord, because of membranes total cover of the umbilical means that is a part is like a normally, but here may or may not be cover of the membranes to the umbilical cord. That's why some people getting like the umbilical cord abnormally means middle of the umbilical part, but just below of the down or below of the side location of the umbilical cord. That is a follow seal. This may exclude gastroschisis and aplasia or hypoplasia of abdominal muscles and skin covered umbilical hernia. Whoever have the omphalocele, that time what happened? Total para-umbilical hernia aplasia. What is meaning of aplasia? Aplasia means failure of the organ tissue, ma. Aplasia means failure of the organ tissue. Here what mean your failure means umbilical cord is a failure and hypoplasia, decreasing of the failure of the abdominal muscles. Once abdominal muscles total fairing of the tissue, particular abdominal area, automatic that umbilical also will get to the herniation, like a abnormally location of the umbilical to in the side only. That time skin covered umbilical hernia. Skin also covered to in the umbilical cord, but this location. You see here picture. See, umbilical cord is in umbilical the surrounding have to the skin total covering. Because of why means that genes affecting the abnormal chromosomes affecting into the by birth time means by growing time means fetus embryo growing time. That time baby once coming out means that time baby is getting up like this omphalocele. That means herniation of abdominal content through the umbilical insertion. In abdominal area, they getting up the umbilical insertion. Umbilical is there, but herniation like a dislocation. That is a omphalocele. Next, gastroschiasis. Gastroschiasis means stomach. Stomach will come to the one side. How means gastroschiasis is one of the congenital anomaly. This main characterized by herniation through an
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
This the visual total dislocation in the stomach area. And say to the samples get the two times like omphalocele and gastroschiasis separate and omphalocele separate. That time what happened? Totally abdominal defecting and visceral total abnormal location of in the stomach area. And are not covered by a membrane. That time stomach, whoever have the one side of the stomach, that time not covered to the membranes. Because of membranes and nerves, this and all not cover means that time they will get to the anomalies. Once membrane, skin, nerves total covering and closing the part means that time nobody will get to the any anomalies. But here not covering of the membrane. That's why stomach will get to the dislocation. Here exclude are hypoplasia of abdominal muscles, means total failure of the tissues in the abdominal area. You see here abdominal places that walls also lateral, abdominal wall lateral and umbilical cord total later also the presenting. You see this picture, and umbilical cord and stomach also two also abdominal lateral side only dislocation. Because of why means that chromosomal total abnormality is affecting to the baby. That's why umbilical cord and the stomach also two parts getting up the lateral side of the abdominal wall. That is a gastroschiasis. Next, diaphragmatic hernia. Diaphragmatic hernia means diaphragm. That also dislocation sometimes. Here, diaphragmatic hernia is a congenital anomaly characterized by herniation to thorax of abdominal contents through defect in the diaphragm. Sometimes thorax places, not a thorax, so all body parts. Whoever have the congenital anomalies, that time all body parts also will getting like a dislocation. Means protrusion, just normal part where present na, that normal lateral only down are presenting up. That is a herniation. Main total absence of the diaphragm. Whenever defecting of the diaphragm, that time immediately they'll get to the total absence of the diaphragm. That time some babies also immediately they will die. And exclude hiatus hernia, event ration, and phrenic fallacy. This also different nerves condition and different of the related hernia. This will come in medsasma, digestive system. Next, hydrocephaly. This also will come in the nervous system in the medsas. Hydrocephaly means full water accumulation in the skull. Like here, total you see dilation of the cerebral ventricles not associated with the primary brain atrophy with or without enlargement of the head. See, atrophy means abnormal enlargement of the cells, otherwise abnormal growth of the cells in the brain means automatic sometimes fluid accumulation, waste water content in the brain. Whenever water content means that time brain also will come to the like become like a enlarging. About that time you seeing of the you see of the children head means like a very balloon shape because of full water accumulation and enlarging of the head. And main immediately you can diagnose of the at birth time only you can diagnose. After once baby growing means you can't diagnose properly. Immediately you can diagnose of the at birth only, not counted when present in the encephalosis or spina bifida. Whenever have to the encephalosis and spina bifida, that time you can't count properly because of why means anencephaly means already I told na abnormal enlargement of the skull. That time water accumulation of that time head increase means you can't properly, you can't do the diagnosis immediately. That's why whenever spinal cord, spina bifida and anencephaly, that time don't count to the hydrocephaly. Don't think like this is a hydrocephaly like. Just particular condition only you can easily identification of the diagnosis in the birth. Next, we exclude so many conditions like microcephaly without dilation of ventricle system. And means without ventricles, sometimes enlarging of the in the nerves. That is skull of macerated fetus. In fetus time only, embryo in fetus growing time only, skulls will get the abnormal. And hydrancephaly means full water accumulation of the skull in the inside of the brain. And holoprosencephaly. Holoprosencephaly is totally will affecting of the water content and abnormal of the brain. And postnatally acquired hydrocephalus. After postnatal means once finishing of the operation, that time also sometimes will happening of the have to the hydrocephalus. This is a different of the congenital anomalies in the birth defect time. Okay, understood? Anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Trideep, no doubt. Krishnakant, Dibendu, Shreya. Okay, again I want to take one more topic, otherwise tomorrow I will take.
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow my first Arindammaji. Okay, tomorrow I will take. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
নবিতা কি কুড়া